What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can be able to withdraw your Payoneer funds from Payoneer directly to your local bank account. Okay, so why this is important is that when I started out online and I started making money from Payoneer, and I tried to use most of these exchanges to get my money to my bank account, but the prices or the money that these guys collected from me is too much that at the end of the day it looks as if I'm not making anything. Like, for example, let me show you something right now. So this is the current withdrawal I just did now. This is $2,500, okay, and I withdraw it to my Zenith bank account. And what this guy charges me before is $460 for $1. Okay, so now if we go here and check this thing now, let me pull up my calculator so that we can see what I'm saying. All right, so if we go here now and put $2,500, then we multiply it by 460. We multiply it by 460 that this guy's charges. Okay, so as you can see, so it means that these guys are going to give me 1 million naira, 150,000 naira. Okay, but because I was able to withdraw this money directly without any exchanger and using the black market rate, I was able to get far more beyond that. Now let's do another calculation now so that you will see. Okay, so right here, if I do 2,500 naira times 570, because that's what a dollar to naira rate is right now, times 570. So as you can see, the amount is so big that you don't want to be losing this kind of money. Like, as you can see now, so if I minus this money right here minus what these guys normally used to do, so you can see the amount of money I've been wasting with these guys until I discover this strategy I'm going to share with you guys today. So as you can see, like, these guys would have collected a whooping 275,000 naira from me. Money that I used to buy maybe a new phone, or take care of myself, or do whatever I want to do, or go and lodge in a 5-star hotel, whatever I want to do. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you guys in this video how you can make sure that you withdraw your funds directly to your bank account at black market rate. So guys, I believe that you guys are going to find this video valuable. And also, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure to click that subscribe button, because what I do in this channel is to share with you guys the strategies that are working that you can actually use to make legit money on the internet. Okay, and also make sure to hit that notification button and also share this video to anyone that you believe that is going to find this video valuable. Okay, so let's jump into the video, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can genuinely withdraw your money from your Payoneer to your bank account at black market rate, and no exchanger is going to be involved. Okay, all right, so guys, what you have to do now, if we search for dollar to naira black market and we'll go to NG rate, and mind you, NG rate is not posting their rate again because CBN has actually instructed them not to be posting it, the black market rate. Okay, so but for us to see what the black market rate is here, what we have to do is just to scroll down. As you can see, this person is saying $4,900 for sale for $52 per dollar, for 52 naira per dollar. Okay, so and this was posted on the 14th. Okay, so as you can see, 570, so it's still within that same amount. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we can be able to get, if not this amount, close to this amount when we are trying to withdraw our funds from Payoneer. Okay, so what I have to do here is, once you log into your Payoneer, I can just go to payoneer.com, click on sign in, put in your login details, and it's going to bring you to this page. Okay, so once you land on this page, what you have to do is make sure that you have already added the bank accounts that you are going to use to withdraw. Okay, so as you can see here, if I go here, I already have my bank accounts that I'm going to withdraw. Okay, so as you can see, I have my bank accounts that I'm going to withdraw. I have 3 bank accounts here that have been approved. So you can check my last video where I talked about how you can be able to get your account approved quickly. Okay, so once you have added your bank account, so what you need to do is just come over here, then click on withdraw. Okay, click on withdraw. So it will load up this page for you. So once you're on this page now, what you have to do is, just as you can see, it's already showing me my USD balance, and it's telling me that my current balance is $1,000 106.32. Okay, so what I have to do, I want to withdraw from this USD. Okay, so I'll just simply go straight here to bank account. All right, so as you can see, I have a First Bank account here, I have a Zenith Bank account and a Zenith Bank and another Zenith Bank account here. Okay, so the Zenith Bank account I'm going to use here is my USD account. Okay, so to open a USD account is very simple. Just walk into any Nigerian bank and tell them that you want to open a domiciliary account, most especially if it is a bank that you already have a Naira account with. They can help you to open it and link it up immediately. It's very easy for you to do. Okay, so just go to your bank, get them to open a domiciliary account or a dollar account for you. So once they just go and add your bank account, but select USD. You can watch my last video and I showed you how you can be able to do that. So once you come here, I'm going to withdraw this money directly to my USD account, because this is actually my USD account. Okay, so they will ask me amount to withdraw. So they say the limit I can withdraw is $50. Okay, then I'll put, let me withdraw $1,000. Okay, so now they are telling me the amount they are going to deposit is $980, because they are going to charge me a fee of $20. Okay, all right, so once I'm okay with the fee and everything that they just put up here, I will put okay. Then description is optional, you understand, so I don't want to put any description here. So what I have to do immediately now is to go to review. Okay, so I can be able to review whether I want to make this transaction. Okay, so they say USD balance, review everything, the amount 1,000, fee 20, then amount to deposit 980 USD to my bank account. Then read here, they say amount to deposit may be subjected to fees charges by your bank, that your bank may charge you an extra fee, but my bank don't actually charge me fee to receive my money from Payoneer. Okay, so what I have to do is I'll quickly click on withdraw. Then they are going to ask me to put a code that they are going to send to me. So let me quickly put that code. All right, so once I put it, I'll click on submit, so that they are going to approve it. As you can see, your funds are on the way. We will send you a confirmation email shortly. Check that email for the details. So what it means that they have approved to send the money to my account. All right, so let me go back to my this and show you now. Okay, so you see that the money is no longer there. As you can see, they have removed the $1,000 dollars. They are going to send it to my bank account in USD. Okay, so now what you have to do is, immediately that you received your funds on your USD account, okay, don't call any exchanger. You don't need them to do this work. Okay, what you have to do is to simply walk into the bank and tell the bank people that you actually want to withdraw your dollar from, just go to the where they used to withdraw money and tell them that you want to withdraw money from there. Okay, so they are going to give you the dollar slip that you can use to withdraw your dollars from there. Okay, so once they give it to you, fill the amount that you want to withdraw and tell them that you want them to give you this money in $100 notes, because that's very important. So once they give you the money in $100 notes, all you just have to do is to go to the nearest bureau de change in your street. They are everywhere, or most of these are bookies that are on the street. Find a legit one. Okay, if you don't know how to find it, just drop in the comment section and I'm going to help you guys to find in any location that you are. There are so many of them, legit bureau de change people. Meet them and tell them that you have dollar to sell. So why I recommend the $100 denomination is that once you have that $100 denomination, the amount of money that they are going to give you, that they are going to buy the dollar from you, is very, very high to compare when they are started giving you $50 and below denominations. Okay, so guys, these strategies work perfectly well and it's going to help you to save a whole lot of money. Unlike, as you see, I always save when I withdrew $500 here, I saved almost 275,000 naira from most of these exchanges that I was using before. If not, they would have taken the money and I wouldn't have the money for myself. Okay, so guys, I hope you find this video valuable. If you like this video, make sure to like this video, make sure you are a subscriber on this channel, because what I do and I will continue to do is to show you guys the legit ways to be able to make money online and also to become profitable in whatever you're trying to do. So this is it for this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.